Residential hostel cum coaching center for banking, insurance, SSC, state exam, but quadratic equation part 1, by version 0 so here. Tunia e di here question tumte exo som leng yen so man hiam. Here question number 1 na masak ni penu quadratic equation sa here pen ha. Factorizing him, splitting the middle terms here formula tom zat here. Himale here ya concept piso ka sum le product form ka zang leng ichi he. I le here ya na due to here number constant term le x square ma patin na gom here mai ke a difference na lago patin 19 na muthe here chi ka ama sa pena na edu he. I le 42 le 2 bet le ujin 44 here a difference na le ujin 40 here. Minus 19 mutelo. Uchi le here some product form e chianga here pen ha itheni some banga some iti chianga here x square ma x constant term ma x ma pen kha some iti hi some kha here product iti che here constant term plus 42 le x square ma plus 2 I multiply da but imu khiak pen kha product ahe. I here pen bangale assign plus into plus is plus. Here it give multiply ngalo big number on hit pale. Here multiply sungale buntam tak pai di isia ka va multiply kher ngalo win. Here ya alien zo pen a factor no lama sa view. I here as a divide the 2 banga ichi le 2 in a divide the ya 2 or 4 to 1 is 2. Factor thumom ta here factor thum pen kha ni in abort here ichi 2 or 4 le 21 but in 19 na muthei here muthei no I le here pen a factor lang ai la china 3 7 are 21 I le here factor li phata 2 3 7 le 4 factor ni nam bol ta le 2 3 are 6 2 are 12 le 7 but in 19 ni muthei ye chi le 12 plus 7 it is 19 minus 12 minus 7 it is minus 9 kimuthe sama chu kimuthe I le product adik the here chi he here number to get a kisam the here why the assign chau ka multiply you minus into minus is plus kibang mo why is there here ya minus 19x ta minus 12x minus 7x kisam the chi na he I le here ya pen kha direct in answer kha heta here ya non diwa x is equal to minus a here le answer kha plus non diwa divided by the diwa here ya x square ma banga 2 in non hom diu I le bang zai mu kha 6 I le x kha here minus here minus a here answer kha plus di here ya bang plus ita le answer kha minus di 7 divided by 2 to 3.5 I le anina loop taleng some product form a loop taleng some ka minus 17 a here why so product it is ha minus 6 le here ya 3 plus 3 na multiply ka a I le minus 3 le minus plus 3 non multiply cha bangale minus 18 a minus 18 here number ne wa is yakin I multiply mai cha ba he I le 18 pen ka factor na ta le chin 2 le bangzai le 2 9 or 18 2 le 9 pada minus 17 ki muthelo I zia ga hiai pen kha 2 le 9 sa thelo win 18 on le 18 1 or 18 ahi I le hiai number ti ge la patin minus 17 ni muthe ye chi le 1 minus 18 ti chi kha minus 17 dik the I le multiplied in product adikia diklo chi kha 8 non ngai plus into minus is minus dikhe why is here minus 17 y ta ha plus x 1x minus 18x 18y 1y minus 18y here minus 17y he the china I le y values bangai dia here pen plus is here here pen kha minus 1 by plus 1 is here here answer ka minus 1 divided by y square ma bang ma le chi cha 3 I le here minus is ya zon zon ngai lo he pen ka positive to is again y is equal to minus I le here ka plus 18 divided by y square ma ka bang 3 na divide you bang za le he pen ka 6 I le comparison la ta ni ve wa 6 ama sa pena hiai apadan pandi 6 le hiai nan compare to plus le minus le plus ka hiai ka lian zo ka isia ka greater than hiai in hiai compare zo ka hiai le hiai nan compare non liu 6 le 6 nan compare sia ka equal tikin ai le hiai pa da comparison hiai tigal ka zo ka isia ka hiai apatin nan compare non liu hiai tigal nan compare sia wa hiai pen ka 3.5 lian zo isia ka greater than ai le hiai tigal nan compare non liu chin bang ko ya lian zo 6 lian zo y lian zo isia ka x is less than y ahi no de chiang wa assign no de chiang wa ka hiya opposite tai ve hiya opposite sign na hi chiang nge ya le na answer due to bangai chi le x is equal to y or relationship cannot be established y is the here so first answer question number 1 answer ka x equal to y or relationship cannot be established het hi da na opposite sign nge ne ya le relationship cannot be established ahi here question thawa pa in talent tu na a question sa here chau assign nong ti khek talent here constant term tegel na nd wa question himong pai chiang quadratic equation sa kha apatin constant term ma a te ka assign ka negative minus tuak hi nge ya le direct an answer kha x equal to y or relationship cannot be established kha hisel de hi khuat ngai lo so banga calculate se ngai lo constant term ma de kha in lejin minus tuak a hi ale answer ka relationship cannot be established question number 2 no ne chiang wa kha x square is equal to 5476 chile y cube is equal to 405224 ai le hiya ya bang china 5476 ka bang square chi zong ngai he y zong dia chu shortcut method ai ke le division method hi da na 5476 ye he factor la ye zong dia chu huntam tak ngai de sia kan shortcut method nam jang diwa 5476 ha hiya square root zona shortcut method pen na le teacher last two square hi last two cube hi ta le chu hi athum na tanam pai di mo square is ya ka long dia khen thei china hi ka first ai le square a kha no le due to hi a last digit pen banga 6 imu theina 0 square apata 9 square ki ka intelligent 6 na mu theina bang square de chi le 4 square chi cha 16 here adang 6 square chi cha 36 here ya 6 imu theina here 6 imu theina kha 4 square le 6 square ai why is ya ka here 76 ka chu li hiam ai ke le book kha zo non ko dio ai le 54 in non de amalama here pair dang pen kha ai le 54 ka bang square pen to kinai pena ichi chia kha 8 square en taleng 64 here 7 square is 49 ahi 64 to hi 54 kha 7 square sa hong kinai zo le hong hi mai thei khen khat question a hi le na thei diu chu hi ya pen kha 54 sa a lian zo him kha thei lo chi khana thei hoi zia ka hi 54 ta ma banga nun koi diu chi le anoi lam bang 49 pen kha hi 54 sa a neu zo hi zia bin 7 pen hi nan koi diu hoi om zia chu 5476 ichi pen kha 74 square hiam 76 square china ahe ai le hi pen ka koi pena dik 74 ya 76 dik chi i thei dia kha 75 square bangai chi ichian ngai why le 75 square ichi bangai chi le a square is only 5 square to 25 here a last digit 5 and nge le 25 na koi diwa hi ama a pen na le a next number 7 zo chi am pai bangale 8 7 8 are 56 here I pen multiply diwa he I le 75 square is 5625 a hi le here I pen kha 5476 I le here I pen sanga 75 sanga lian zo pen here I pen thi no wai sia ka x square is equal to root over of 74 china a he I le here x value banga I chi le x is equal to x square hi cha sa a hi nge a le a answer di banga I chi le plus le minus answer area 74 why on zia chu 7 plus 74 chi le x is equal to minus 74 china a he next